So welcome. In this session, we would understand the latest changes with the CUET PG 2024. Now, CUET PG 2024 official notification has been released. You can go on to the official website pgcuet.samarth.ac.in to fill the forms and get the details. Now, here, if you go on to information bulletin and syllabus, you would find the syllabus which has been released. Now, this syllabus stands the same as was there for 2023. The paper code again remains the same, but there have been some important changes that have come up for your 2024 examination. To begin with, the maximum number of courses that you can opt for now is 4 subjects. So from the given list of subjects, you can choose maximum 4 subjects to appear for your examination. The subject you can apply both, like the paper would be bilingual, English and Hindi, except for sciences, MTech courses where the paper would be only English. For Acharya courses, the paper would be only Sanskrit, except for Hindu studies, Indian knowledge system and Bauddha darshan. Again, important to note the marking scheme. There is +4 for every correct answer, -1 for every incorrect answer that you do. Also, very important to note is there would be 75 questions that you would attempt in 105 minutes. There would be 3 shifts in which the paper would be conducted, and the subjects have been categorized under various categories. For example, the first is common. Now, in the common, you would have general. Now note, there is no compulsory general paper which is applicable for all students now. That rule has been removed. So if you are choosing general paper as one of the subjects, then you can opt for only 3 other subjects. So let's say if you are talking about general MBA marketing, then you would not be able to choose more than 3 papers separately. But if you are appearing for, let's say, history or geography or science subjects like zoology, statistics, then you don't have to go for general paper. That's one thing that should be very, very clear. That means more or less you have to be a subject expert, right? Now, besides the common paper, there is category for languages, there is category for sciences, there is another category for humanities, and then you have for MTech courses, and finally the Acharya courses. Each of them have the paper code. Now, these paper code remain the same as was there for 2023. So, no changes regarding that, no changes with respect to the subjects, the syllabus of the subjects, right? So, now the next question comes in, where do I prepare? So, if you go on to the website here on doorstep, you have all the categories under which you have the exam. You can have a quick glimpse of that. So, excuse me, as we mentioned, there is common subject, humanities, MTech courses, Acharya, science and languages. Now, under the MTech courses and science and maths courses, the paper would be only in English. So, there are 2 scrolls, right? So, one is the complete scroll for this page which lets you down, and here we do have our contact number which you can see, and this contact number which is given in red is the helpline number where you can reach us. Now, coming on to the other boxes. So, within each of these boxes, there is a separate scroll bar. You can select the name of the subject that you want to appear with, or search the paper code within that category. So, common would all start with CO. Humanities which will start with HU, similarly MTech courses with MT, and so on and so forth. So let's say if you are a science student, you can appear for courses from sciences, MTech, and then you also have an option to dive into the arts and humanities or social sciences courses. You can definitely do that, but you have to be a master in that subject. That means you have to prepare well as per the syllabus and then select the subject as per required so that you do good. Now, as I said, there are maximum 4 papers that you can opt for. Now, most of the students, if you opt for even 2 papers, you are all done with it, because if you opt for something, you prepare for it with a nice way, then obviously you would have a good ranking and you can get a good university out there. But if you are doubtful about one of the subjects and you are not confident that I won't be able to do good or do justice with that subject, it's a good idea to select at least 2 to 3 subjects, and rather than taking a chance on subject, you can also take a chance on university. So that's what you would decide towards the end after the result is released, that whether based on the subject you are getting a good university or the department of that university is good in a respective subject or not. So that is something that you can decide later when you are going for the admission, or if you have a strong desire to pursue only in one subject, then go ahead, don't think anything else. prepare well with that subject and let the result flow in, right? So this is what is for today. In case you have any questions or any doubts, feel free to connect back to us. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.